The trade show environment. Fast-paced, high-traffic, many potential customers. Trade shows are a proven success in attracting new clients. How are you going to make your booth stand out? How are you going to pull those customers in and maximize your ROI? If you want to have the headline act, the #1 showstopper, the ultimate wow factor, then give your exhibit a graphical waterfall. The magic begins from across the trade show floor. Watch the drawing power of the graphical waterfall pull people toward your booth from the far ends of the exhibit hall. Draw power is essential because research shows that over half the people attending trade shows have not made up their minds about what to purchase or whom to purchase from. Our graphical waterfall serves as the ultimate hook as it draws them into your booth, and your talented salespeople will take over from there. The graphical waterfall is the #1 showstopper with a universal demographic appeal. Large groups of people gather around the waterfall exhibit, staring at the magic of the falling water, thinking, how do they do that? What will it say next? Your company's name, your logo, your sales slogan, your latest product to hit the market. Reading the words as they fall captures the attention of potential customers and creates a deep, long-lasting impression as they focus on your product. Be the most remembered and the first one they call. The graphical waterfall does more than just draw attention on the show floor. It presents you as an industry leader and has been known to get many exhibits into magazines and even on TV. The graphical waterfall has been part of many award-winning exhibits, such as Best of Show Awards and Most Memorable Exhibit Awards. Whether your exhibit is being photographed for live broadcast, for a YouTube video, or on a cell phone to a friend, your image is being broadcast around the world. Let the graphical waterfall boost your advertising image and maximize your exposure. The graphical waterfall is for more than just trade show events. Let it add sophistication to your next marketing meeting, or let it supply the elegance you need for your new product unveiling. The graphical waterfall provides the same unforgettable experience in permanent installations. Use it for brilliant advertising in your shopping mall, or have it add style to your hotel atrium or building lobby. A graphical waterfall always provides the ultimate wow factor.